All right, I figured I would read this one before I read what I found for the next slide. So, September the 27th, 2022, this was an original ICF when he was still in pre book, and this was Mama. Dear John letter. Dear John, please, oh please save my child. But it was really to Judge DaRrElL. Please save my child. He don't deserve this. He is a caged bird. So, dear, dear Judge DaRrElL, I'm not sure if this is right or proper, but I have to try anyway. My name is Dawn Woods, and I'm sure you guessed, the mother of DaRrElL Brooks. DaRrElL Brooks, aka Doogie Butt Brooks. Mama used to call him that. It's okay. I'm writing you because I am deeply concerned about what happened in court today. I called Attorney Perry and Attorney Keys with my concerns regarding DaRrElL's mental state a month ago. I told them that I believed he was becoming unstable. I speak to DaRrElL on a daily basis, and by our conversations, I could tell that he was becoming unstable. Even though he always says he's okay, being his mother, I could tell. I don't know if you're a mom, but moms always know when something isn't right. I encourage him to pray and read the scriptures, hoping that would help settle his mind. But I can see his mental health once again is taking over. When I voiced my concerns to his attorneys, they just blew me off. Something attacked me seriously at all. Oh, didn't take me seriously at all. I do apologize. I am now asking you to please, please do not let him represent himself. I tried to reason with him on Monday. When I spoke to him, he told me he doesn't feel comfortable with his attorney's way of how they want to present his case. I told him he should let you know, and if it's possible, ask for different lawyers to represent him. He wouldn't listen to reason. He is not mentally stable. I'm not stable mentally enough to fully understand the big mistake he is making by wanting to represent himself. His asking questions and saying he doesn't understand, that alone should be enough to see he's not capable of being his own attorney. How can a person who has a mental illness fully understand? I don't know if there is anything you can do, but I have to try as his mother. If I don't, knowing what I know, I'll never be able to forgive myself. He needs all the help he can get, and then some. We got 1,000 years for that. We got 1,000 years. I apologize. That's it. Maybe different attorneys would help if that's possible, or maybe his attorneys need a different approach on how they plan on of presenting his case. Let him have more say and input. Maybe that would help. And making sure they explain and communicate better. I just know something needs to be done that is fair. I understand the victims wanting closure. So do I. It's been unbearable for me as, I don't know, you put that word in the comments, appreciate you. Believe me when I say that he not stable enough to represent himself. At trial. No more corrections for her because this has been unbearable. Whatever you can do would greatly appreciate it. He needs help. I'm asking the court to recognize his unstable mental states and rule in his best interest. Sincerely, Don Woods. P.S. I know he will not be happy that I wrote you and become angry. Oh, she's scared. She's shaking in her boots. I hope one day he'll understand I did it out of love. Heart with the fingers, heart with the fingers. I am done. Bye, y'all.